Welcome to episode 12 of On the Way Up.
So, the big question on everybody's mind is, when is a new Chair 2 going to open? And the answer that I really want to give you is tomorrow. But the reality is there are still a few weeks of work remaining. Every single day we're getting closer and closer to the finish line, and it's now in our sights. Our crew is dedicated, strong, and on top of every last detail and kicking butt on this project. We are extremely proud of them all, and soon you will see why too. The updated completion goal for Chair 2 is January 15th. This target is based on the remaining steps in the project being completed without delays and is subject to change due to many factors. Going forward, we will update this timeline on a weekly basis to help keep everyone in the loop and informed as we approach the grand opening of this chairlift. We know everyone is excited to experience this beautiful new lift and acknowledge that the completion of Chair 2 has an impact on many people's plans for this season. We remain absolutely committed to delivering an exceptional new lift and experience to mission-rich guests that will be of benefit to our community for many, many years to come. But we have not and will not sacrifice quality for expediency in this effort, and look forward to welcoming guests aboard the Wenatchee Express in 2021. Thank you all for the support, kind words, and for being the awesome mission-rich community that we love to serve. Just like we're wrapping up the holidays, we're going to wrap up episode 12 of On the Way Up. We'll see you next time.